Assalamu alaikum everyone. This video will teach us how to download and install Sublime Text to Windows operating system. So open Chrome browser and Google search box type Sublime Text Editor and enter. And the official site is for sublimetext.com. So click on this link so that we will use Sublime Text Editor to write HTML code for a website. So you will see the download for Windows link here. If you're not seeing it, just click download. Then it will give you the option Mac, Windows, and Linux. So now we're going to install Windows. So click on Windows. So it will download in your download folder. So I'm going to open my download folder. And this is the Sublime Text. Double click on it to install it. Click yes. And this is the location that Sublime Text will be installed. Click next. Next. Click install. So it will take a few seconds. Click finish. So Sublime installed successfully. I'm going to close this window. I don't need these. So here in the search box, type Sublime. See, this is the symbol. So click on it. So first time it will take a little bit of time to open. So it is open now. Next, I'm going to create a new file. So click File, New File. You have a new file here. Now click File, Save As. And I'm going to, in desktop, I'm going to say index.html. Make sure you name it exactly the way I write. So index.html, click Save. Now press Shift button from your keyboard, then less than sign and type HTML and enter. So automatically this should type for you. So if it is display like this, so that means you successfully install the Sublime to your computer and it is working as expected.